Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Reddit account permanently. It will be really simple and easy. So I'm going to show you on a browser or on iPhone or Android. The process will be same. You can do the same steps on the desktop as well. So first of all, just open up the browser here and then search for Reddit here. Now you have to log in to your Reddit account. So you have to go to reddit.com. If you are on your phone, it will ask you to open the Reddit app, but just select continue next to the browser that you are using at the bottom. Now you can simply log into your Reddit account. Once you are logged in, select these three lines in the top left corner to open the menu. If you are on the desktop computer, just select your username and then you just want to scroll down and simply select the settings. And in settings, you have to come for this account settings. Now you have to scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will see this option delete account. Just simply tap on this delete account and then you have to enter the reason here why you are deleting your account, then your username, and then you have to enter your password, and then you have to check this I understand that deleted account aren't recoverable, and then you have to simply tap on delete. Confirm you do want to delete your Reddit account by selecting the delete one more time. It will then reload Reddit and your account will now have been deleted. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.